Spicy chicken sandwich, you gotta try. Season my chicken with pepper, salt, paprika, garlic powder. I'm gonna add a slap your mama Cajun hot sauce. Add some buttermilk. Let it marinate for 30 minutes to an hour. I'm gonna season my flour with breadcrumbs, cornstarch. Same seasoning I used to season my chicken with, I'm using to season my flour with. Take your chicken out your mixture, place it in the flour. Add your chicken to your oil. I'm assembling my sandwich. I'm gonna add my buffalo sauce to my toasted brioche bread, pickles, my chicken, and my coleslaw. بالشهي